What if I told you that the secret to waking up with more energy, sharper focus, and stronger joints wasn't found in a pill bottle, but in your blender? For many of us over 40 and 50, we start to feel the slow down, that afternoon slump, or the morning stiffness that just won't quit. But your body isn't failing, it's just hungry for the right fuel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate senior health guide to nutrient-dense smoothies. We're moving beyond just fruit juice and crafting liquid gold designed specifically for aging bodies. If you're ready to reclaim your spark, stick around, because these recipes are about to change your mornings forever. Why smoothies are a senior health game changer. As we age, our digestive systems change. We don't always absorb nutrients as efficiently as we used to. This is where health tips often miss the mark. It's not just about what you eat, it's about what you can absorb. Smoothies pre-digest the fiber, making it easier for your gut to pull out the vitamins and minerals. Plus, for those of us focusing on senior health, hydration is a constant battle. A smoothie solves both. It's a concentrated dose of wellness that's easy on the teeth, easy on the stomach, and incredible for the heart. Recipe 1. The Anti-Inflammatory Gold, Joint and Bone Health. Let's talk about our first powerhouse. We call this liquid ibuprofen, but it tastes like a tropical vacation. 1. The base. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, high in vitamin D. 2. The anti-inflammatory punch. Half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Oh, note, the piperine in pepper increases turmeric absorption by 2,000%. The protein, 1.2 cup of Greek yogurt. We need to maintain muscle mass, what doctors call preventing sarcopenia. 4. The fruit, frozen pineapple. It contains bromelain, which helps reduce joint swelling. This isn't just a snack, it's a health guide in a cup. When you drink this, you're actively fighting the inflammation that causes that nagging knee or back pain. Recipe 2. The cognitive catalyst, brain and memory. If you've been feeling brain fog lately, this recipe is for you. Our brains are mostly fat, and they need high-quality fats to function. Blueberries, often called brain berries, they are packed with anthocyanins that improve signaling between brain cells. Walnuts and chia, these provide omega-3 fatty acids essential for cognitive longevity. Spinach, don't worry, you won't taste it. But the vitamin K and folate are vital for slowing cognitive decline. I know it's frustrating when you can't find your keys or remember a name. This smoothie is a daily investment in your mental clarity. It's one of the best health tips I can give. Feed your brain before you feed your hunger. Recipe 3. The heart-hugging purple, blood pressure and circulation. Finally, let's talk about the ticker. Many seniors struggle with blood pressure. Beets are a miracle food for circulation because they are high in nitrates, which relax your blood vessels. Mix steamed beets with strawberries for sweetness and a stalk of celery for natural electrolytes. It's refreshing, earthy, and deep red, just like the healthy blood flow it promotes. Improving your senior health doesn't require a total life overhaul. It starts with one choice, once a day. Try one of these for 7 days and just notice how you feel. If you found these health tips helpful, please hit that like button. It helps this health guide reach other seniors who need this boost. Don't forget to subscribe to Elderly Care for more ways to live your best, most vibrant life. To your health, and I'll see you in the next video.